this lecture we learn about the next topic of the computer network, that is a scale. An alternative criteria for the classifying network is their scale, as shown in a figure displayed on your screen. The figure shows the classification of multiple processor system by their physical sizes. At the top there is a personal area network, then and that meant for the one person. Personal area network is an interconnection of the devices person, typically within the range of the 1 meter. For example, a wireless network connecting to a computer with the keyboard, mouse or printer. Then added into local metropolitan area network and the wide area network. First type of the network is the LAN, that is the local area network. It is privately owned network converting or the covering a small geographical area, that is 10 meter to 1 kilometer. It includes home, office, building or the group of building. For example, a building, college campus or one of the industry campus. That type of network is called as the LAN. Metropolitan area network MAN covers a larger geographical area than the LAN, that is 1 kilometer to 10 kilometer range occupied by the metropolitan area network, ranging from several block of buildings to an entire city. Third type is the wide area network. It covers the large geographical area, that is 100 kilometer to 1000 kilometer for often a country. Finally, the connection of two or more network is called as the internetwork or the internet. The internet is the global network connecting the millions of the computers. More than 190 countries are linked into the exchange of data, news, information, communication worldwide. Then look at the next figure, which shows the scale in the form of measuring kilometers. Interprocess distance, processor located in the same, and example metropolitan area covers 10 kilometer to the 100 kilometer area, and wide area covers 100 kilometer to the 1000 kilometer, and the internet covers whole planet, that is 10,000 kilometer. Then next important topic of this our computer network is the network topologies. What actually mean by the network topologies? Thus from the topos, which is the Greek word for place. The term topology refers in which work laid out of the physically. Network topology defines the geographical arrangement of computer networking devices. Topology describes the actual layout of the computer network hardware. Topology defines the physical or logical arrangement or of links in a network. Physical topology. A physical topology describes the placement of the network nodes and the physical connections between them. This includes the arrangement and location of the network node and how they connected. Logical topology refers to the paths the messages take to get from one place to the network to the another place in a network. Then what actually the definition of the network topology? The way of connecting the computers in a network is called as a topology, or a geometric arrangement of the relationship of the links and the linking devices in a network is also called as the network topology. There are number of network topologies available in both the categories, that is physical topology and the logical topology. We learn both physical and logical topologies in the next lecture. Thank you.